say goodbye to lost items and thank you to Apple AirTag. I love these. You can use the Find My app to find absolutely anything that you use to track with these. Privacy is already built in. Does come with a replaceable battery that lasts for over a year. They're water and dust resistant, really easy to use, and they will actually play a sound on the built-in speaker to help you find your things. You can share them with up to 5 people, and you can even share with third parties like airlines to help track items that are important. Look at this. You can even track your passport. So important things to you: car keys, passports, purses, wallets. You got it covered with Apple. Buy your AirTags individually or as a 4-pack.